So they're gonna pay me to be a better me. Okay, I'm in. Like, I was like, really? So once I realized that, I was like, okay, this company literally stands for everything. It like embodies what a company should be. So once I saw that, I was game. I was like, I am so in. I dedicated myself. I started going to the gym. I am doing walks. I'm eating the good stuff, all the greens, and thank God for Elite, because they kind of, they matched up at the right time. The classic was already so amazing. I mean, seriously, I loved, like, the mood support was so big for me. It's seriously helped me so much. And I love the time release energy, how it's just randomly throughout the day, I'll get this little, oh, okay, there we go. Like, it's like, okay,